Known as the messenger of God, the closest planet to the sun, and enemy of the moon, Buddha is a planet with command on wisdom, intelligence, humor, and wit in a person. Mercury is known as Buddha in Indian culture. This planet is known to rule the share of a voice of a person along with the above mentioned qualities. People also receive the virtues of being calm and have a composed nature. Just like a coin has two sides, with the various behavioral benefits of Mercury, there are some shortcomings as well. A person who has the influence of Mercury on his birth is bestowed with acute abilities of thought and thinking. However, they are also cursed with indecisiveness, unsurety, and anxiety. Vishnu, the Supreme Lord, is the ruler of Mercury. The planet has a strong influence on the air element. Sun and Venus are friends with Mercury, whereas Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are neutral towards Mercury. Buddha is highly associated with the quality of intelligence, knowledge, business, education, excellence in reasoning, and analytic abilities. In terms of subjects, maths, science, communication, writing are associated with this planet. A strong ascendancy of Mercury on a person makes him excellent in strategy. Since communication is highly associated with planet Mercury, networking, accounts, trade, commerce, banking are some fields that are beneficial for a person with an impact of Mercury on his life. Keeping the industries in mind, we can chart out professions like reporters, lawyers, brokers, businessmen, entrepreneurs, media personalities, mathematicians, chartered accountants, writers, content creators, content strategists, news reporters, salesperson, artists, and software engineers to be a perfect fit of people with Mercury in their birth chart. 5, 14, and 23 are the numbers associated majorly with Mercury. Emerald and onyx gemstones are related to the planet, and green and brown are linked colors. Virgo and Gemini are the zodiac signs that are considered to work very well with Mercury. The ruling day for this planet is Wednesday, and the ruling direction is north. Jyeshtha, Revati, and Ashlesha are the constellations ruled by Mercury. Some of the effects of having weak Mercury in one's birth chart lead to mental illness, difficulty in communication, speech, voice, low grasping power, and overall dullness. This can be further explained by understanding the fact that the planet Mercury is related to arms, ears, lungs, skin, and nervous system. A people with a lack of Mercury might experience more issues than just those related to the nervous system. He might fall prey to itchiness, neck piles, etc. These are known as faults, which can be corrected by donating things like green flowers, green clothes, sugar, camphor, moong dal, etc. on Wednesdays before sunrise. The planet Buddha rules liver, thighs, skin, breath, and mucus in a person's body, and hence it can help us to identify more features of a person impacted by Mercury, which is the sweet voice, heavy build, great sense of humor, and loving nature.